పండిట్ జవహర్లాల్ నెహ్రూ జయంతి చిల్డ్రన్స్ డేను పురస్కరించుకుని రంగారెడ్డి జిల్లా బడంగ్పేట్ మున్సిపల్ కార్పొరేషన్ పరిధిలోని న్యూ మాస్టర్ మైండ్స్ పాఠశాలలో ఘనంగా వేడుకలు నిర్వహించారు. విద్యార్థులు చేసిన నృత్యాలు, వేషధారణలు ఆకట్టుకున్నాయి. ఈ సందర్భంగా ఉపాధ్యాయులు మాట్లాడుతూ తమ పాఠశాలలో విద్యార్థులు విద్యతో పాటు ఆటపాటలలోనూ ముందుంటారని అన్నారు.
One and all. So today, respected teachers, principals, and my dear students, today I'm here to speak few words about the Children's Day. As today we are celebrating the Children's Day on November 14. So this is an auspicious day where it's a birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, and we celebrated because he is the first Prime Minister of India, and he was very much immense love towards the children, and he believed that children are the future of the nation. So we as a crucial to nurture and educate our children. So let us celebrate and enjoy the day.
Good morning to one and all. Today I am to speak about the Children's Day. Respected sir, teachers and all my dear students, we are celebrating the Children's Day on the occasion of the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. He is the first Prime Minister of India, and he is much beloved of the children, and he has much after he becoming the first Prime Minister of India. He had done so much for the development of the children's education, and he made the path to the future, our future generation. Let's celebrate the Children's Day. All of you, happy Children's Day. Thank you.
So happy Children's Day for all children, and enjoy your day. No one can stop your happiness. Thank you.
ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, మా ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.